Hi, I'm Cheryl Engstrom. I'm one of the adjunct professors here at Bellevue College, and I have had the pleasure of using this amazing new tool that is available to all instructors at the college. So please consider using this tool. This is an amazing reverse whiteboard. Anytime you have anything that you would do on a whiteboard, especially something repetitive, something that you want to teach every quarter but maybe don't want to have to repeat it, do it on this, because I'm being recorded right now. And because I'm being recorded, we'll be able to use this again and again. So how does this work? I'm standing behind a giant piece of glass, and I have a bunch of colorful markers, a beautiful black background, and normally if I was going to be talking to a student, I would have my markers, but I would be back here doing this on a whiteboard. So I'd have to be doing this, and all they see is the back of my head. Guess what? You don't have to. This is an amazing tool that allows me to talk directly to my students, and I can write as if I'm looking at it, but you're seeing it in reverse. So if I want to be able to do a math formula, an accounting tool, or some sort of system, a scientific thing, or what I do all the time, marketing. I had the pleasure of using this to teach something that I teach all the time, every quarter. And you can use colors too. It's called mind mapping. And by doing this once on a video, I can not only put it on Canvas, so my students can access it to learn it, and they can review it over and over again. Anytime they need to better understand it, they could be even in the middle of a brainstorming session, which is what this is. They can be thinking, how does that work again? Or wanting to share it with a friend or a student who might have missed that lecture. Because it's up on my Canvas site, I don't have to keep repeating it, but the students have access to it again and again. It allows me to walk through it. Each of these pens work. Isn't this crazy how I can write and yet you're seeing it correctly? So it takes a little bit getting used to. We have these little dots here that show exactly how far you can go, because the first time I did it, I was writing down here and lost it. So now we've got this all marked off, and I have a little microphone on right here so you can see, and the camera's right in front of me that I look at, and I have Keith over there helping me to do the first one. Hi, Keith. And I recommend when you do come in, schedule time with Keith, try it once with him, and he'll show you how to do the software. And super simple. It's all done on Panopto. And all you have to, at the very end of it, you can email yourself an MP4 that you can drop right into your Canvas account. It's an amazing tool.